to always
Hi everyone. We have
Hi everyone.
we have Khushboo for Goel here, and she is one of the experts which you all know. She has also been in my channel as well previously, and today she is back with a bang about LinkedIn, and she's gonna help you all to make sure your LinkedIn profile is awesome. And I'm sorry, I'm sounding a bit weird because I've been live streaming for more than 5 hours today, and
Oh God.
this is my fifth live stream, and there is one more at the end. My throat is also gone, so I'm gonna kindly ask Khushboo if I will be escaping from the live stream in the middle. Maybe if it is possible. If not,
Yeah,
I'm
it's
happy to stay.
completely fine. You can rest.
And you can take over my channel as well for some time. Cool. So Khushboo's here to tell more about Khushboo. I'll just let her tell about herself. Go on.
Hi everyone. I'm Khushboo Goel. I'm currently in my third year right now. I'm learning about BTech in computer science. Also, I have a YouTube channel with the name Khushboo Goel where I share opportunities. I tell people about different skills, various skills. I talk about LinkedIn. I talk about scholarships and internships, interviews, and a lot more. So if you're a student, it is very valid for you to check it out. And now let's talk about LinkedIn today because it is a most important platform for you if you are a student right now or a working professional, I would say. And if you don't know how to leverage it perfectly, it will be a great loss. And I want you to go with, if you attend this 1 hour session, I am sure that you are going to go with a lot of information today and you are going to get a lot of opportunities from now on. So
It's going to be a learning experience for me as well because, yeah, I'm also learning every day.
yeah. So, first of all, LinkedIn is a very professional platform, as we all know. We all get to know about a lot of different things. All the professional job openings, about different companies, what do they do, about different new startups and different ideas. Then there are a lot of people from all around the world who are working in different companies, who are sharing their experiences, their problems, and their solutions, who are discussing stuff, and they are sharing resources with you so that you can grow. So it is very important to be active there so that you can find out the best resources as well as the opportunities, because all the opportunities have some a certain deadline. So you need to be first to get it. Okay, so that's why it is very important. So first step is always to make a profile and then to take baby steps. First thing I would like to say is always make your profile 5 star. So LinkedIn grade your profile, and you can get a 5 star while you like complete certain steps. First step is to have a profile photo. For example, you check out my profile and you see a blank, like a black wallpaper. So what does that say? That says nothing. So you won't know whose profile is this. There are 10,000 Khushboos around the world, even more. So how do you know it's me? uh, as you are seeing me in this webinar, now you want to go and connect with me over LinkedIn, or you want to go and share your profile with me, maybe, so that I can review it. So how you will know that it's me? You will know if I have a headshot photo, like the scene like as you are seeing me right now. If I have this photo there, it will be a perfect. It is well lit, it is clear, and it is perfect for a very small size. You can clearly see my face. So that's
Definitely
how.
not like this. No.
Yeah, there is some bad lighting case, but it's good for a headshot. So you need to have a good lighting and a headshot. Don't put your selfies making certain faces, or don't put your a picture with playing while you are playing in snow or stuff like that, or party photos. No, because it is a professional platform. You need to look a certain way so that you make a good impression. Because obviously, when someone comes at your profile, The first impression is goes with your photo and the banner that is behind that photo. Now let's talk about the banner. A lot of people use this banner in a lot of different ways, and you see, it's your property. You can use it anyhow. So you can use it to tell people all the things you do. You can tell people what are your interests, or maybe you can tell people that what are the things you offer, what are the services you provide, or what are the awards you have got. It's totally your call. So you can use it in multiple ways. To, if you are there to make sales, maybe then you can show how much valid and how much respected person you are, and these are the awards you have got, and these are the services you can provide. Okay, if you are a student, you would like to share that these are the technologies you are interested in, and these are the roles you are interested in. If you are maybe a working professional, you would like to tell that these are the companies I have worked with, and these are the services I'm providing, or maybe these are the opportunities I'm looking for. Me, so it is very important to use it wisely.
Maybe
And
we can do a profile roast or something on my profile as well.
definitely we can do that. Okay.
These people are
And
also on the chats, and they are also planning to send their LinkedIn profiles as well. So don't send it as a URL, just send it after the in, like including /in/ your name. So that way we will pick the random ones as per whatever Khushboo says. Like, so that's okay, right, Khushboo? So
definitely,
one or two will work, right? Okay. Considering
but
the
I can't
time.
see the live chats. Where I can see the live chats?
Oh, sorry about that. Let me quickly send you the link. How did
Okay,
I
sure.
miss that for you? um, yep. Check your WhatsApp. I've sent you the link.
Okay, great.
And folks who are watching this, please take a screenshot and tag Khushboo and me so that Khushboo can give you some nice surprise.
Yeah, definitely. And if you want me to review your profile, you can definitely send me the link, or you can tag us. Do whatever you want. You can send the links in the live chat also, and we will be happy to do so. And yeah, so we were on the channel banners, and we can do so many things there. Now you will say ki if we have to make channel banner, we have to do a lot of work, and that's what we are not up to. So it's very easy. You can use free tools like Canva. They literally provides you thousands of templates to make banners. So if you just go to Canva and write LinkedIn banner, you will get thousands of banners. You just have to edit your names. Please edit your names and the things you are interested in, and then you are easy to go, and they are perfect for you. Okay, now let's move on to the tagline. So that taglines actually tells a story, your story in, 2 lines or 1 line or maybe 5 words. It's enough. So you need to see if what are the things you want to highlight in your profile. So for students, it's mostly the works they have done, because they are looking for new opportunities. So they want to show that, okay, these are the works I have done, these are the companies I have worked with till now, and now I am looking for more opportunities. For service providers, or maybe who are freelancing and stuff, they like to write what are their specialties, what are the services they are providing. Okay, like if there is someone who provides you like marketing and sales, so he can write growth hacker in the sales firm and the stuff like that, crazy terms. So if you are a working professional, you would like to say that these are your main tech stack, the specialized, you are specialized in these things, and then you have worked with these companies. Also nowadays LinkedIn is providing you a new feature, which is like you can share on your profile that you are open to new opportunities or not. So it is very easy for the recruiter to see that you are looking for a new job, you want to have a new, you want to talk about new opportunities or not. Maybe you are happy at where you are right now and you don't want to like talk about it. So why would they waste their time with you? So it is very important to, if you are looking for an internship, for a job, for an opportunity, to turn on those notifications and turn on those features, so that you can actually tell the recruiter that you are looking for one, you know. And now the summary part. So I have seen a lot of people writing summary in the third person way. Like, for example, if I'm writing, so they will say, Khushboo is this person who do this stuff and this stuff. And then there is another way in which people write the summary, which is like I have written, which is, I am Khushboo. I do these things. I am doing these things. I am interested in these tech stacks and stuff. So I don't really know what's better, but as I personally feel, it's better in the first form, because you are directly connecting with them. It's like your landing page. They come to your profile, they see your photo, they see the services you are providing, then they see your services where you are telling, okay, hi everyone, I'm Khushboo, I'm do this stuff, and it's very glad to see you here on my profile and stuff. So I literally prefer to have it in first form, and I will ask you to do the same. And
It should be
there is
like
a,
the conversational. I am
yeah,
kind of not naming.
interactive.
Okay.
Yeah, make it a little bit
Khushbu,
interactive.
just one thing. You aren't sharing your screen, right?
Yeah, I'm not sharing my screen right now.
Let me know if you want to share screen, because you are talking in such a way that maybe you were intending to share screen, but you forgot or something. If not, then fine.
That's a great idea. I should share my screen right now so that you can
Awesome.
see actually.
Yeah.
So I think
Can
it is shared.
yes, can everyone please confirm if you're all able to see the screen on the chat, please?
Yeah, it is visible.
Great.
Great. So as you can see, I have this profile photo, straight up my face, well lit, and straight photo. Then I have told about all the things I do. I'm a developer, I'm a problem solver, content creator, learner, video editor, powerlifter. And this is a Canva template which I have used to make this
You're actually, yours is better than mine, far better than mine.
make this channel banner. So yeah, you can do a lot of stuff, and actions are greater than talks, obviously, because I have written this here. It have a very deep meaning, I would tell you. So a lot of people reach out to me on LinkedIn because they want to connect with me, and they want to ask for certain reviews or certain stuff, and they want my opinions on that. So I always like to go directly to the point. Like, there is no point going around in conversation and then going to the point. I prefer to be on point conversation. And that's why I have written it over here, actions over talks, so that they know that, okay, she's not interested in your random stories. Just get to the point. Because after I changed it and I updated the channel banner to actions greater than talks, I have literally got less weird questions and straight up to questions on my profile, and it was really nice to see that change. Now let's talk about the summary. This is the summary where I have provided everything about myself. So as you can see, it is in first tense. And yeah, now very recently I got to know about a very nice, we can say, experiment. What should we say, experiment, or it was an experiment with a few of LinkedIn profiles. They took 2000 LinkedIn profiles and they tested about the summary part, that what how much length of the summary is perfect. And it came out that if you have 40 words in a summary, it's perfect for you, because over that no one sees that summary. So if you are looking for that, so I would recommend you at least have 40 words in your summary, because it makes you more interesting. Then comes the experience section. Here I have put all my experiences, talent sprint as a student scholar, video creator, content creator, girl coded, and everything. So why is it needed? uh, First of all, if you have more than two experiences, it increases your chances by 60% to be to the viewer to see your profile, like to stay on your profile and actually see what all you have done. So that's why it is really important to have experiences, and then you need to write about them. Like as I have mentioned that I was a Python mentor and DSA mentee, so you need to write that what was your role. Just don't write the like name of the organization DSC and just go. You need to tell that what are the things you did there, then my education, and then license and certifications. So a lot of companies actually hire through LinkedIn, and what they do is they just see your LinkedIn as your resume, because they don't actually have one until they ask you. So that's why if you put everything on your LinkedIn profile, like all your projects that you have done till now, certifications, and all the skills, if you mention them, it really provides a great source of knowledge for the other person, for the recruiter, that okay, she have done a lot of stuff, and it really increases your chances to get selected. So that's why you can get always get recommendations from your friends. I will not recommend getting it from friends, but get it from your mentors, from your managers if you have worked under any organization, from any person who with whom you have worked professionally, and it really works a lot. For example, I given this recommendation to one of my seniors with whom I worked professionally. So it was only because I have worked with him professionally and not because I knew him or something. So that's how it works. Then you can always add a lot of different contact info, like all the links. Apart from your profile, you can add different links. For example, I have add my YouTube link, GitHub link, Instagram link, email, and birth date. But it is not necessary, and email is also not necessary. But after you reach after like I am always looking at people, different persons LinkedIn profiles, and I'm always looking for different links there, because after I review their profile, I want to know more about them, so how they can connect with you. So provide them different links, like I have provided my YouTube link, GitHub link, Instagram link. You can literally go anywhere and check out about me, and you will get to know more and more about me. So that's how it works. Even if you want to reach out to me, you can just mail me. So it is very important to have a mail, because if a recruiter finally decides to like take up talk about you for an opportunity, or to take your interview, how will he connect with you? You get a lot of messages daily, so you maybe miss it, or you may not get notification about the messages. So it's really important to have a mail there, so that you can get an
Uh,
email.
the moment when you actually showed that part, you had something like something is verified or something like that. But for some reason, I don't have that. Yes, verified account phone number associated has been, it is not there for me.
Okay,
So how should
so
I?
you need to add the phone number, and then you can verify it by getting an OTP and stuff. So then
But I
you
have
will
added
get your.
it, but how do I verify it?
Okay, let's see. Can you share your screen so that I can see?
Okay, cool. Just give me a second. Let me share my screen. But I guess you might need to. Um,
Stop
yep,
sharing.
you need to stop sharing. Only then I'll be able to share. Okay, cool. Yeah, it's all public here. So I guess it's okay for my phone number to be public. So all right. So here it is. So I do have these things, but I don't see anything that it says verified or something like that.
Yeah, even I don't see it.
Should I click on this or something like no? Just
No,
says.
no.
So it's definitely not there in mine. Yours seems to be a special account. All
Okay,
right then.
so I will show you the screen.
Okay, let me stop sharing.
Yeah.
Go on. Everyone forget
So
my phone number.
this is account verification by phone.
For people based in India. Damn,
Hmm.
I'm not in India. All right.
Yeah. So this is the featured section where you can put the important things or the things you want to show to the new people who actually visit your profile. So you can always enter different things here. You can enter different links or your post that you made or article you wrote on LinkedIn or any other platform. There is literally no restrictions here. So yeah, about after this you will see experiences. This is the activity section, the last 90 days what you all did. Then you will have a creator mode also. So if you want to create content on LinkedIn and if you want people to, if you like if you put on the creator mode on, LinkedIn actually pushes your content a little bit more and it shows you as a content creator. It will show the follow button up and connect button inside. So people can follow you easily. In a normal profile, you can always see the connect button first and then follow button. So that's the thing. These are some insights that you can see that who all people followed you, who all people are not following you, how many visits you got and stuff. Then these are the connections. Like I was saying, there are some new features like show your recruiter you are open to work so that you get more opportunities, or share that you are hiring so that you people can actually connect with you because they want to get hired. You know, let me show you some other profiles so that you know what I'm talking about. So as I said, there are literally a lot of ways how you can design your banner. So as this is Khushboo Verma and she's an amazing person, and I guess she has been also featured on this channel also.
I wish if that happened, but it hasn't yet.
Okay, that's completely fine. It will
I'm
soon.
also a huge fan of her.
Yeah. So she have like showed the awards she have got and the two societies she is part of, coding girls and women tech network. Then in the tagline she have mentioned all the things she have done till now. And then there are feature section where she want to share that she's a part of Microsoft, prior to that Adobe and stuff, activities, and then about section. Perfect. I am a computer scientist, and these are my GitHub link, Twitter link, and stuff, and experience. So, as you can see, it is a perfect profile for any recruiter or anyone to reach out to her because it literally clears everything out. And all the volunteer experiences are very well structured and shared here. So, you know what you are talking about and with whom you are talking. Okay. So, let's check out Gary Vee's profile. So, as he is a service provider, he have mentioned all the brands that he is like right now working on, and then he have this huge summary section about him and the featured post where he have mentioned his own website and then activity and then experiences where he have actually mentioned all the things he have done. So it is a perfect example for you. If you have any questions regarding anything we have talked till now, you can tell me. And I think we can tell then review Praveen's LinkedIn profile. What do you say?
What? Okay, that's a good idea.
Yeah, better.
Okay, I'm the scapegoat for this session. Let's do it.
Yeah. So Front photo, nice, but old, very old, and not of a good quality.
One thing which I wanted to ask you, Khushboo, can you just open events.praveen.science? I'm planning to use that picture, which will
Okay,
happen
sure.
soon. Events.praveen.
Events dot Praveen.
Yep. What? Okay, so this is interesting. Which connection is this?
This is my Wi-Fi, Geo Wi-Fi.
Okay, this is interesting because okay, I don't know. Can you try praveen.science/workshop? Maybe if that works. Is my thing even working?
Slash workshops.
Workshop. Yep. Okay, it's still going here and it does not allowing. All right, we can leave it. So yes, I do have a better picture which I'll be rolling out soon. But for some reason, this is not actually working. All right. Okay.
Looking forward to that picture.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So a perfect banner. Not really perfect, but it works. It shows technologies. It is too much crowded in the background. So it's kind of, and the technologies you wanted to show, it is actually hiding behind your photo, which is bad. You can actually a little bit restructure it, and
Sure.
we know you are Praveen Kumar because it's your profile. So it would have been better if the front end enthusiast was bigger and not the Praveen Kumar. And because it is not like tappable, so these actually don't make any sense.
Technically,
Because
it's a screenshot of my website. So I guess I need to get rid of that and do something else. Sure.
On website, it works perfectly because all the links are there. So you can actually tap and go there. But here, they don't make any sense. So yeah. Then this is perfect actually because you have mentioned all the like experiences you have, and it actually shows how much active you are and how much different works you have done till now. Top 0.05% overall on Stack Overflow. That's a lot. Talks about Node.js, React.js, front-end developers. Perfect. So anyone who is interested, he will want to follow you and connect with you. Then we have the featured section where you have featured some posts, and yeah, we should have at least some post, and this is perfect. Then activity summary, okay, mentor, open source contributor, Microsoft. This is a lot. You need to structure it a little bit because it is really hard to read any of the stuff. It looks like you have to call everything and like just put it there. But this is better. This is very much better because it is really clear. I can't read that, but I definitely can read these, and I will know. Okay, he knows all these tech stacks, so this is certainly better. Yeah, and maybe you can use the
unfortunately,
numbering.
it's like the emojis aren't working. It is not emoji, by the way. For some reason, it shows differently in my.
Oh, okay, got it.
I'm on a Mac machine.
I am too on a Mac, by the way, but not sure why it is showing like that.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah. It clears a lot of things. I'm sure my profile also get weird on some other machines and stuff.
I guess I should. Yes, I should. I need to change a lot then.
Yeah, this is perfect experience. You have told what you do, and then you have summary about it. That's perfect, and a lot of links. So yeah, a lot of experiences and education. Education have links and summary. Then you have license and certifications. All the links are there. Volunteer experiences. Very well structured, I must say. I need to learn this from you because I really wanted to like write everything down like this from so long, but I don't know why procrastinating at this task from so long. So
Come on, this
I
is the
need to
time
do
then you
this.
have to do it.
Yeah, I need to do this ASAP. And yeah, skills and endorsements. Look at this. Everything is 99 plus.
I mean, is it really? Does this make sense? I mean, endorsements, are they even matter? Like, do they even matter?
I don't think so. I don't think they do matter because it is really easy to get one. Like everyone knows that if you endorse me, I will endorse you, even though if I don't know you personally, or even though if I have never seen you doing that thing before. So it is kind of a vague structure now. But yeah,
Okay.
LinkedIn like algorithm do see it because they think that if more people have actually taken their time to click on that plus button, so you must have known something. So they will push out your profile according to that. So that's why it might matter a lot.
Got it.
Recommendations, I personally feel they are really important, and I really value the recommendations anyone have given to you. But even if it's your junior, because even if they're saying that you are very helpful, it tells me a lot that you are happy to work with people younger than you and happy to like listen to them patiently and stuff. So I personally feel it's very important. Projects, courses, honors and awards, everything, this is perfect. Like this is exactly how it should be. uh, you need to put on everything and then a little bit of summary about it, because a lot of companies actually like don't ask for your resume, and they can just download your resume uh, in the form of your LinkedIn profile. For example, yeah, from here, like save to PDF. If I do this, I can actually get a this
Wow.
resume from LinkedIn. So this is a resume made by LinkedIn based on your LinkedIn profile. So now you can see that what other companies are seeing about you. So it's a lot. It's 12, 13. Oh my God. How many? 19 pages. For me, it's 4 pages. Uh, and yeah, so they can see all the contact information, top skills, languages. Now the top skills, it is based on how much people have enrolled you there. So here it comes into play. Then languages, certifications, these are the top certifications, top honors and awards and publications. And here comes the summary. Dekho, this is why I asked you to make summary to limit it to 40 words only, because if summary is too long, it actually takes a lot of space on your resume, LinkedIn resume, and that's not actually good. You want to show your experience. So that's why a summary which is around 40 to 50 words is enough. And you will want ki you actually like condense everything into it, the top things you want to showcase to the world, because everyone knows a lot of stuff, but you want to show the best of yours. So you can do that. And the experiences part, these are all your experience. And yeah, so as you can see, it's a very very big resume. Now, what is the other thing? If you are doing a pretty good job on your LinkedIn profile and you are active, you should be at least posting one post every month. So I know if you are a student and if you are not actually making content or anything like sort of that, still I will recommend you to actually post something once a month, because it actually shows that you are active. If mano a recruiter, if for example a recruiter want to connect with you and he sees that in your activity section there is nothing from past 90 days, so it is really bad. So if they can see ki, okay, in the past week you have commented here, you have liked this picture, then they know that you are active. So they will want to reach out to you for different opportunities, talks, or maybe any webinar, hackathon, or different stuff. So it is really important to post at least once a month. And so Can you guess how many opportunities I have got till now with the help of my LinkedIn profile? Anyone would like to like guess it?
Okay, around 50. That is my guess. So let's wait for others to.
Yeah, looking forward to it. Tell me your guess, and let's see who is close.
How many opportunities Khushboo has got? Okay, we haven't got any responses yet. Okay, 50 to 60. So that's almost the same number which I told. Okay, let's wait.
So let me share with you. So if we like keep aside all the talks and like webinar, invitations for a speaker or stuff, I am just talking about working opportunities, working for someone or working with someone, paid opportunities. I have got more than 30 opportunities, and they are like these internships. And two people were like, be my co founder for a project. And I was like, what? Why? Like, why would you want to make someone your co founder when you don't know them? But they're like, I have seen your work, and that's enough for me, you know? And I got this this is the internship period, and you will be really glad to know that I have gotten opportunities to like interview with big MNCs through LinkedIn. Like literally, recruiters asked me, like, emailed me on my LinkedIn profile to send me my resume to them for the internships next summer. So I was like so mind blown with that. Like, this is the best thing ever. And they can literally see my LinkedIn profile, and they are like, we like your work, and we know that you have the skills. I just want to make sure that you have shared your resume with us so that we can have an interview with you. And I was like, completely fine. So from LinkedIn, I have got paid freelance projects, invitation to hackathons, invitation to different talks, internship opportunities, uh, co-founding opportunities, a lot of different opportunities. And even I have got different opportunities to my friends. There are a lot of things that I can't do because I don't have time. I'm working on my full capacity, but it is a really good opportunity. So I easily like pass it on to my friend. I say them that I have a really good recommendation in my mind, and I would like to add him to that conversation, and they are really happy to listen to that because it's working for them, it's working for me, and it's working for my friend too. So you see, you are helping yourself, you are helping like the other person, and then you are helping others around you also. Because after seeing me, like literally most of my class, like I can easily say 50% of my class didn't had a LinkedIn profile when we were in my first year, but I got a 2 lakh rupee scholarship through LinkedIn. Okay, if I was not there on LinkedIn, I didn't had knew about it. So I got it, and then I told all my college mates about it, and then they were like, okay, we think we also need to make it. And I was like, yes, this is what I'm saying. Go and find opportunities. You don't need to wait for them to come to you. You need to go and find them. And this is the last thing, but I really want to touch upon it, that whenever you come to LinkedIn, a lot of people feel really intimidated about it. All the people are getting these many jobs. He's working here, he got a placement there, he got PPO from there, she got this hackathon, she win this hackathon, she got new swags and stuff, and I'm not doing anything. So, and I get a lot of messages every day that LinkedIn is a very depressing for me. Like, I go on LinkedIn and I feel bad about myself. But see, they are you how much you post on LinkedIn, you post like 2 or 3 times in a year when you have the best thing to show on LinkedIn. So they are also posting that way. You are comparing their highlight of the year, their highlight of the month with your normal day. Why are you doing that to yourself?
But
Don't do that.
I guess that is the same thing with any social network. For example, if you are looking into LinkedIn, you could see a lot of new roles, join new companies, and if you go to Instagram, you see like, oh my god, this person is living such a beautiful life, but I'm just living in deep.
Yeah.
You
But
get it, right?
yeah, definitely.
It happens with
This is
everything.
same. But the problem here is like it's very good to leave Instagram. I literally don't use Instagram that much. I just put on story and then I forgot about it because I don't want to like waste my time on the reels and scrolling stuff. But LinkedIn, you can't like stop using it because it's really important for you professionally and to find opportunities. So you need to find a way so that you can deal with these emotions. So you need to tell yourself that these are their highlights of the year and you will also do stuff. You need to do stuff instead of feeling bad about yourself. It's just a normal day. Yeah. So this is the thing, because we can't easily leave in like LinkedIn, like Instagram. So we need to figure out that this is not actually bad. We need to feel motivated that okay, this person have done this thing, I need to do my part too now. So, and whenever you feel bad that okay, someone have got this and that, make them your mentors, and that feeling will go away, that you were feeling bad about yourself, because with a mentor you will always feel ki, okay, he is going to teach me, I can only learn from him, and he is a mentor, so he is going to do better than me. We always get this feeling ki, I can't do better than my mentor. So make everyone your mentor, even if it's your junior who is doing great, make him your mentor. And that feeling of feeling bad about yourself and feeling low and everything, it will disappear. So this is my mantra. I make everyone my mentor, and then everything is sorted.
Awesome. That's super cool. And one thing I learned is okay, I'm not the only person, and moreover, I can happily say that I don't even know how to use Instagram because I don't have the app with me, and yeah, I have no posts, and I really don't know how to use it. But so that's fine. I don't
That's
have even a
completely fine.
beautiful
It's
face,
better.
so yeah. All right.
Do we have any other questions, or do you want to share your LinkedIn profiles with me?
So
Feel happy to do so.
one message is like take LinkedIn as inspiration than a depression. Nice
Yeah,
message, Rohan.
definitely.
Thank you. Anyone who wants to get your profile reviewed from Khushboo, you're the
Us.
expert. So if and we do have some time left as well, so it's up to you. If anyone is ready, or at least I got a lot of new information like what mistakes I'm doing. I mean that too. I thought even in the same Mac machine, yours is not working, mine is working. Mine's an old Mac. Could that be a reason? We don't know.
It
Yeah.
can be because the characters can keep changing.
Okay, so
The emojis that are. Mhm.
we have got some self nominations. So we have Rohan and Sriniketan. So should we go ahead with one of them?
Yeah, definitely.
Come on, let's share your screen. Let's start the roasting. It's not roasting, but it's gonna be like you'll be
Review.
yes. So it's Rohan Kulkarni.
Okay. Rohan.
Kulkarni.
Arni. Yeah.
Okay, there are so many Rohans, and
So
yes,
is this
that's
the
the
one?
yes, that is the guy. Yeah, that is the person. Okay,
Okay.
Rohan, you're dead man.
Clear
uh,
photo. Profile picture. Nice. Collaboration first, code second. Open source web development. Yeah.
that's
This is
Eddie's work.
great.
Don't that's Eddie Hub. So he completely like lives and breathes Eddie Hub kind of a thing, which is actually cool. So yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Talks about Java, React, JavaScript, open source web development. Great. Featured post. he have some featured post, which should be the case. Activity, he have a lot of activity recently. It's great. Let's see the about section. Okay. Hey Rohan here. See, it is interactive. That's why it works. Currently, I'm a fresher computer science at this college and learning C++ front end. Started learning Java. Click some photos when having free time. Great. So this is really interactive. First of all, the summary, and it is very clear and to the point. So it works. And then it is the education and
100%
licenses
it
and
is better than
certificates.
mine.
In some cases, it is.
Rohan, you're
Then
fine.
wow, a lot of certifications and with all the links and credentials. So it's super cool. Volunteer experiences with a little bit of summary. That's perfect. A bit of endorsements. That's fine. Okay, great. Let's see the contact info. His profile is also verified because it's India. And here's the links to his portfolio, email. Great. I think the profile is perfect. He don't really need to like restructure it, but just keep updating it time to time because I guess you are not a fresher anymore, so you can update that. You are in your
Do
second
we
year
have
right
time
now.
for another profile?
Yeah, we have.
It's NK
Let's.
Sharma, the URL.
Okay.
Oh, NK Sharma
Uh, NK hyphen
Sharma.
SHARMA. Okay. Okay. Nice. The profile picture can definitely be changed, and the banner, obviously, it is not used correctly because this is not a photo gallery. So we can maybe use it to showcase our skills and the services we provide. So talks about leadership, new learnings, enjoy your life. Nice. And with the contact info, we have another link, Twitter handle. Perfect. It is verified account. We have some featured posts, activity, and about section, experienced graphic designer with. Okay, we can make it a little bit more interactive by telling that hi, I am this person and I'm doing this stuff. But this also works. It is not bad. A lot of experience with links and summaries. Great. Education, certificates with all the credentials. Accomplishments. We have some projects and we have good summary about them. Nice. So there are few things that you can change. Obviously, you know them. So you can change banner. If you are not sure about the banner thing, I can show you how you can make one. You can just go to the Canva, perfect website, search LinkedIn. Here you get LinkedIn banner and see you get a lot of banners. Now you just need to find one that matches your vibe and just edit it down, write anything and everything. Just look at these banners, like they look so professional. And you don't need a graphic designer for this. You can just edit them and say push to Google. And perfect, done. It's done. This is how you make a banner. So yeah, another thing you can do is obviously make a customized URL. For example, he have NK/Sharma. I have Khushboo Goel 01 because I have this Khushboo Goel 01 because it is same on my Twitter profile, it is same on my portfolio, it is same on my GitHub profile. So it actually maintains the consistency all over the internet. Like my handle is same. So that's why I have taken this URL. So yeah, you can do this too. Any other thing you are excited to know, put them in the comments and we'll take that.
that was cool. And uh, yeah, so we have another one. Would you be okay?
Yeah, definitely.
Um,
Let's
sending
go.
you the sending you the URL via WhatsApp.
Okay.
This is the one. It's a bit big, so don't worry. Your screen is not yet shared. So go ahead, open it and
Okay.
copy it, and then once you're ready, I'll share the screen.
That's great.
Can I share the screen?
Yep. You all can see my screen. Is
Yes,
my
it's
screen
visible.
visible? Okay. So the profile picture, as you can easily tell, it is not well lit. And I do understand why you wanted to keep this as your profile picture, because it actually shows your pretty like awards. But you can keep this on your banner and it will be perfect. You can keep this picture on your banner, and here you can keep a headshot, and that will be more better. And your banner don't really explains a lot of stuff. It is a riddle, some kind of riddle, but yeah. So you can actually write down the things you do, or maybe write down about these awards like Khushboo mentioned, like global awards. You can actually write the name so that we know that what are these. We know these are trophies, but we don't actually know why do you have them? Do you won them in a Coco competition or in a hackathon? So it will be better if you actually write the names of the competition so that we know that where you got them. Application engineer, perfect. Contact info. You can add other links too if you wish to. I always recommend to have at least a GitHub link, because GitHub is the second most professional space here. And yeah, there is a summary, experienced application engineer, perfect, short, on the point. Then we have featured section where we have a lot of certificates. Perfect. Activity, we have it. Experience, okay. Application engineer understanding, okay, okay. So we have links and some summary. Perfect. Education and licenses, skills. There are certain recommendations also. Perfect. So you can just work on your, first impression, because that looks a little bit weak. But apart from that, your profile is quite strong because you have a lot of experience and a lot of project work. But you can actually work on your profile. So that's the only thing I will recommend. And you can add your GitHub links also to your contact info if that is fine. Yeah. Do we have any other profiles for the
There is one
day?
more. I guess you can search it. It's WISSAM.
W I
WISS.
S S A M.
Um, Sorry, just a second. Yes, ALIH.
A L I
Yes, yes, ALIH. SA.
S A L.
I guess the second one, I believe.
Okay.
Please let me know if this is the right profile, Wissam. Okay, I believe so because this person is connected to me. Okay, let's go on.
Great. So profile picture, it can be lit and it needs to be headshot because we can't actually tell who the person is because the face is tilted and the photo is really dark and blue. So maybe it can be a headshot. And I know this is very cinematic photo and really cool photo, but it works more on Instagram. And yeah, banner works perfect. All the technologies, RPA developer perfect. Then we have the tagline, tells about the experience. Then we have the contact info. You can add GitHub links too because as a developer, GitHub or GitLab links or any other platform links where you have your work, it will be very easy for the recruiter or anyone who is interested to see your work. Uh, so sorry. And then we have featured section. Okay, we have your GitHub on your featured section. That's a cool thing. We have your resume too, so that's nice thing. Then we have activity. Okay, you were active. And about section, this much length of the about section I feel is perfect because you know it's actually readable and it's not too much, it's not too less. Then experience, you can always add summary to the experience, then what you did here, what was your part in this company. And yeah, experiences, education, that is perfect, you have grades and everything. Volunteer experience, you were the president but you can actually tell that these are the events that I organized, these are the things I did. A little bit of summary, it doesn't need to be 50 words, it can be 2 3 lines also. Skills and then accomplishments, perfect. So there are a little few things that you can change. And yeah, otherwise it looks perfect. Most of the people, like most of the profiles today we see, the only problem I see are with the first impressions. Otherwise they have strong profiles and they have listed everything well, but in the first impression they looks a little bit weak because of the the photo doesn't look really professional and the banner looks weak. It looks like someone just put at any random picture there. So these are the things I think everyone needs to take care of. Now let's wrap this up.
I guess so. Yes. Sure. Thank you so much, Khushboo, for patiently looking into more than 3 profiles and giving really constructive feedback and helping others to, like make your profile better and stuff. And that actually helps me as well because um, uh, even I have got this picture which I wanted to change, but yeah, like whatever you said, even I am very lazy to work on these things. And I mean, when it's our brand identity, right? So when I'm
Yeah.
changing something, I have to change it across all the things: LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, whatnot, WhatsApp, etc. So take some time. So that's, I do understand that it's a 10-year-old picture, but yes, I don't have a better face of mine. Even now it's like my head doesn't look good as well. That's the reason of hoodie as well.
This looks perfect. You just need a lamp in front of you and that is a perfect picture. It
Like
is better
this.
than giving, yeah, it is better than giving a impression that you are 10 years younger than what you actually are. So
Right. Cool then. So any other
all the best
questions?
everyone, and I hope you get a lot of opportunities and don't feel bad about others like achievements, and get inspiration from them. Take inspiration
Yes. Took it
and
as an
keep on rocking.
inspiration, not as a depression, as Rohan says. And Rohan,
Yeah.
you're fired. Awesome. I always do that with Rohan. Rohan is a good friend of mine. We met in this LGM associate, and he has been always getting fired from me. So for
Got it.
being Rohan, so can't help, right? So he's that kind of a nice kid.
Yeah.
Nice man. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for everyone. You all have been like an absolute awesome audience, and I hope it was really helpful as well. And yes, let me go and have some break after
Yeah.
this
All the
whole
best, Praveen.
thing. Thank you.
You have
It's gonna
a
be my
lot.
last live stream. The next one is, and it's gonna be really cool. Wait, I didn't even prepare for that. So then it will be really cool.
Okay.
So I never prepare for my live stream. So that's another reason. Yeah, and whoever, if I say to anyone, definitely you will be not okay with that. But yeah, so some things are left that way. So
Yeah. Okay. Goodbye, everyone. All the
bye,
best.
everyone. Thanks a lot, Khushboo, for accepting in such a short notice. And I mean, Khushboo has been doing a lot of things. So don't forget, go check out her channel. All the links will be updated in the description. And Khushboo has already come to our channel on, the it's again career and game development webinars. There were 2 webinars which we did together. It was really awesome, and don't miss them as well. So all the links will be updated in the description. So go spam her with your requests and don't spam too much. See you all, folks.